What's good, Career Wars? It's your boy Anthony Harris back again with another video. So, how many jobs should you list on your resume? This is an important question because too many could get you overlooked by the hiring manager, and too little may look like you not have enough experience and they'll skip you right over. So, let's pay attention and see what we need to do about that. So, if you have less than 10 years worth of work experience, I say stick to 3 to 4 jobs as a maximum onto your resume. They need to be concise, and even the bullet points need to have power verbiage and a sensible win onto there in order to get the hiring manager recruiter's attention. Remember, you only have 6 to 8 seconds to make your impression. So if you have over 10 years of work experience, please keep only the jobs that are relevant to the job that you're going for. Remember, if you include extra jobs and smaller jobs that you have no relevant experience into the job that you're going into, then it can basically muddle down your resume to make it seem like you're not the perfect candidate for that role, even though you have all the relevant experience. And if you have worked a job over 15 years ago and it is not relevant to the current job that you're applying to, please leave that off your resume completely. Remember, you only have 6 to 8 seconds to make an impression on the hiring manager and recruiter, and we need to optimize that time and optimize the jobs that are listed onto your resume to make it short and concise and make sure the hiring manager and recruiters know that you're the perfect candidate for that role. Remember, it's 2025, and as you can see, if you turn on any news outlet lately, it's going to be a tough job market for anybody to land a job. However, the current job market is taking people from 10 to 12 months to land a job. But if you get an optimized resume with My Career Services, we can get you to land a job within 30 to 60 days, because an optimized resume is what gets the hiring manager and recruiter's attention onto you as a candidate and lets them know that they need to bring you in for an interview. So even in these troubling times, you can still secure a job that you know and you need in order to increase your finances and secure you your next job and your next paycheck. So if you need any career assistance, make sure you click the link down in the description. All of my resume services are currently on sale for 50% off. You can get a customized resume template for as low as $40. And you can also get a customized resume and cover letter done by me and my team for just as little as $100. So make sure you click the link down in the description to take advantage of that deal this week, because it's 2025 and it's all time for us to elevate our careers. If you need anything else for Warriors, let me know. Peace.